Alexa, tell computer to feed cat.
Okay.
My auto cat feeder is controlled with my ELK M1 control panel, although it could be easily controlled with an Arduino as well. I had this already, so I thought I'd utilize the logic within it. So basically on the triggers, the M1 will trigger based on the time, the relay module, which will then trigger the motor to come on for a predetermined time and drop the amount of food into the dish. From there, once the food's dropped into the dish, it will remain there dry until the cat arrives. When the cat arrives, the camera will detect the motion and again trigger the M1 to initiate another relay to energize the water solenoid to put 1 second of water into the dish. And that is also down here. And my water container with water solenoid that will wet the cat's food. In addition to the scheduled feedings, we can also do quick feeds. So the quick feeds can be done either from a touchscreen by running one of the tasks. So we have on here, we have Mickey Quick Feed. We can also do it from our phones, and we can also do it with Alexa. Alexa, tell computer to feed cat.
Okay.